right, today's rant video is all about the chicken. It's actually more about the eggs. Eggs are a freaking superfood. No matter what you have heard in the past, eggs are a superfood. You can live off those bad boys. And the yolk is what you want to eat, not necessarily the whites. Remember those little cardboard boxes that only sold egg whites and stuff like that? What a freaking hoax that was. Sorry. That was such a joke. Like, just, that's not true. There's nothing in the egg white itself, really. You want to eat the egg yolk itself. So, what I'm going to suggest today is buying organic. Oh my gosh, just buy local. Honestly, if you can find local eggs, check out their farm to see what they're being fed. I always suggest that when you start buying from somebody, you should probably check out their farm to see what they're actually feeding them, how they're being treated, what kind of environment that they're living in and stuff like that. Because it's really important to make sure that, people, just because you're buying local or a farm fresh egg doesn't really mean nothing. So you got to check it out. I always suggest that. So I need you to look into the eggs. I'm going to put a blog post below. We're going to really discuss about all the nutritional benefits of eggs and stuff like that. And eggs right now are going price crazy and ridiculous, and they're killing chickens off because of stupid reasons that are ridiculous. And it's just such a shame what's going on with the eggs, because I think they're starting to know that we know that it's actually a really good food. So if you have any capability whatsoever, build a coop and the chickens will come. I think that's actually a saying, build a coop and the chickens will come. No, I would love for people to really start taking on that adventure of raising chickens. I call chickens a gateway to homesteading. Boy, they are too. They're always like the first thing people get. But if that's all you can do, I would love for you to start raising some egg layers. I'm going to post videos on how to start with when you get your baby chicks. I did a whole series on raising chickens for meat birds, but the whole process in the very beginning is the exact same thing as if you were to buy the little eggs and hatch them, or buy the little baby chicks and stuff like that. And it'd be so important and such a wonderful thing to know that you're raising a superfood right in your own backyard, and they don't need a whole lot of space. You can give them a whole lot of space, you can not, it's up to you. So that's my biggest encouragement today, is see what you can do to sneak in a couple chickens to your suburb and go from there. But let's do eggs. Let's see if anybody can really start thinking outside of the box, outside of the coop, and start raising any of your own chickens. That would be great. I would love to hear if this is finally going to be some encouragement for some of you guys. Just break into it. It's super easy. It's not complicated. And then you get your own superfood. And I'm also going to, in my blog post, if you can't do that, so you're going to be buying eggs from the store or someone local, but from the store, how they have all those cool little labels like cage-free or pasture-raised. I'm going to dive into that to explain really what that means, and I don't think it's exactly what you think it is. So read that below, drop a chicken or an egg emoji, and if I have encouraged somebody, at least one person, to start getting those chickens, those baby chicks this spring, I will be so thrilled. So let me know.